In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple attention grabbing video using AI. You can use this video to market your product, your services, or even your client's products or services. So I'll be showing you how to create a simple attention grabbing video that you can create for clients, you can create for yourself, and use it to attract visibility and sales to your business. So let's take a look at this one.
Hi there, I want to show you how to create an AI human video like this for free.
With videos like this, you can increase your business visibility and sales.
Also, you can make money by creating this kind of videos for individuals and business owners.
Click on the Learn More button to join the free training. It's completely free.
Can you see? I'm going to show you how to do something like this, okay? So, first of all, you need to understand that this concept was visualized by me, okay? I conceptualized it. So, if you must create such video, you must have a picture in your mind. You must have a concept of how you want the video to be. So that is why you need to be creative, okay? So after I have conceptualized it, I went to the AI site, generated the videos. Okay, let me show you the videos I generated. All right. So these are the videos I generated. You can see them.
Hi there, I want to show you.
Okay.
With videos like this, you can
see.
Click on the Learn More button.
Also, you can make money by...
Now, I generated 4 videos because I am not using the same character. I'm using 4 different characters. So due to the concept I have in my mind, I wanted to use 4 different characters, and I had to generate 4 different characters, all of them saying different things, and I'm going to combine it together. So after you have generated your videos using AI, you are going to be using an app called CapCut to organize this video, okay? This app called CapCut, all right? This app is free. It's completely free. You can get it on Play Store or on Apple Store. It has the computer version as well, all right? So before we go into the video creation and editing proper, I need you to understand that in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to create and edit this video sample, okay? But I have a course on how to master CapCut, and I'm going to give you that course, okay? So I want you to have a calm frame of mind and follow this process. I want you to understand that this video creation is not difficult, okay? Have it at the back of your mind that it is not difficult. You can do it. Just follow my process step by step. I will try as much as possible to explain every detail that I touched or did in this video to create that particular sample, okay? So calmly watch this video, and if you don't mind, you can watch the video 2 times so that you will grasp everything I'm talking about in this video, okay? So I'm going to be showing you how to do it with CapCut, okay? Step by step. I'll show you how I created this video and how you can do it yourself step by step. First of all, you download CapCut. After you have your concept in your mind, then you create your AI speaking video. Then you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, download CapCut. CapCut is free. And one of the reasons why I like CapCut is that with CapCut, you don't need any premium version. Everything about CapCut is premium, so it's free. And CapCut also has a computer version, okay? You can download it if you have a computer, okay? But for this tutorial, we'll be using our phone, all right? And I know that everybody watching this video has a phone, so you can do it with your phone. All right, so let's head over to create our video. So you click on new project. So when you click on new project, you just have to locate the videos, okay? The AI videos. You can go to your gallery wherever the videos are saved. They are saved in download. So I will go to download and I will import the videos, okay? You can see the videos here. I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. So you can import them at the same time, or you can import them one after the other, okay? So I'm going to import all at the same time, and I will click on add, okay? You can swipe left to see, okay? So you can play it to confirm.
Hi there, I want to show you how to create an AI human video like this for free.
With videos like this, you can increase your business visibility and sales.
Alright, so this is fine. So after I have imported my videos, remember I have a concept in my mind. So I'm going to start applying the concepts. Now just follow me as you are watching this video. You are going to replicate this exact video, okay? But then I have a course on how to use CapCut. I'm going to give you that course on how to use CapCut so that you can master CapCut, okay? But for now, let us concentrate on this video. So the first thing I did was that I had to crop this video, okay? I had to crop it and move it to the side, okay? And you can see some of these have black background, so I need to make the background all white and at the same time crop these images and move it to the right, okay? So let's begin. So I will begin with this. You tap the image, okay? So I will tap here. Now when you select any clip, okay, you're going to see some functions will appear, okay? Some functions will appear. So for this, we are going to tap edit and you tap crop, okay? Now you can see that you have the crop sign or edges around it, so you can drag. You drag, okay? I will drag as well, okay? This is fine, and I'll click on this good icon. All right, now at this point this video is free to move to the left or to the right, so I'm going to move it to the right, okay? Now you can see that we have a black background behind, so I'm going to make this background white. So I will go back. I will not tap this clip anymore. I will just tap anywhere outside, then I will scroll and click on canvas, okay? Then you see background, you see blur, you see color, and I'll click on color and I will select white. Now you can see that we have white here. All right, then I can as well tap this, okay? Once you tap on the clip, you can move it left or right, okay? So we have this. Now the same thing, I'm going to do the same for this. I'm going to crop out this watermark and I will make the background white, okay? So I will do it for all of this, okay? So I will tap on the clip. I can move it left or right, but I want to crop this out. So when I tap it, new functions will appear. I will simply scroll left and click on edit, click on crop, okay? And I will crop this just to remove this watermark. Okay, I can still crop this a little, okay? And I'll click on this good icon. Fine. Now I can drag it anywhere I want, okay? So let me keep it here. Then I will go back. You can use this arrow icon to go back. Now as long as this white line is here, is on this clip, it means that you can change the background of this clip. So I'll simply scroll through these functions, click on canvas, click on color, click on white, okay? Then I will do the same here. I will crop, you tap on it, locate the function edit, okay? Click on crop, then crop out this icon or watermark, okay? Crop this area too, okay? Then drag it to the right, okay? Go back, go to canvas, okay? Color, white. All right, for the last one, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, you tap on the clip, you scroll, select edit function, select crop, okay, crop out this watermark, crop this side too to give it fitting. Click on the good icon, you can drag it to the right, okay? Then you go back, canvas, color, white. All right, so we have achieved the first step, okay? So the next step is to add text. Okay, as they speak, I want the text to type. So at this point, I'll just go back. This is the default function. Okay, this is the default function that you're going to see. Then when you tap any clip, you can now see more functions. All right, so however your screen shows, or the interface of your screen, because sometimes these apps, the way they appear in my phone and your phone may not be the same. So just locate these functions and it's going to give you the same result. Okay, so at this point we'll be adding the text. Okay, so I will tap on text. All right, then I'll click on caption, auto caption. Now what this auto caption means is that it's going to convert whatever they are speaking, the voice, into a text. Okay, it's like a kind of transcribing. It is called captions. So I'll click on auto caption and I'll click on start. So it's going to automatically caption all the voices speaking. Okay, translate it into text. Okay, and it's important for you to know that at this point, while working with CapCut, you need to have internet connection. All right, so we are done. Okay, you click done. Okay, just click good. Now you can see that it has created the text of whatever they are saying. That's your script that you use to create this video. It has transcribed the voice into letters. Okay, all right, so at this point you tap on this text. Once you tap on the text, you can see that it's showing here. So I'm going to drag. Once this thing is highlighted, okay, you can drag it anywhere. All right, so I'm going to drag it here and I'm going to change the color. So once I have selected the text, what happens is that you see different functions for this text I have selected, and I'm going to click on style. Okay, when I click on style, I'll click on font. If I want to change the font, I can change the font. Let me select another font. Let me use Rubik. Okay, now I want to change the color so that it's going to have a different color. I'll click on style. I will choose red. Can you see? This is what we have. Okay, so even at this point, you can edit this text so that it's going to suit what you want. So I can edit this high to make it capital letter. Okay, follow me. All right, so I will edit it to make it capital letter, and I'm going to bring this to show you down. I don't want it to be in one line. Okay, I will tap, put my cursor, bring it down, use my enter key to bring it down. Okay, this is okay. Then I'll click on style, size. I can increase the size, the font size. Okay, this is fine. I can bring this down, I can drag it down, select the text and drag it down. Okay, all right. Then one more thing, animation. This animation, I want it to come out like a text, typewriting. Okay, so I'm going to select typewriter.
Hi there.
Can you see?
I want to show you how to.
Beautiful. So I'll click OK. So you can see that when I play, let's see what happens.
Hi there. I want to show you how to create an AI human video like this for free.
Can you see?
With videos like this, you can increase your business visibility and sales.
Also, you can make money by creating this kind of videos for individuals and business owners.
Click on the Learn More button to join the free training. It's completely free.
All right. Can you see how beautiful this is? Now, one thing we're going to do is, you can see that there is a lot of space between one video to the other one. So I'm going to cut out these spaces. I will begin here. Now, let's leave the text and concentrate on the spaces. I'll click here.
Hi there. I want to show you how to create an AI human video like this for free.
Okay, like this for free.
Video like this for free.
So this is where this one stopped. So once I select the clip, I'll click on split. Okay, then I'll click on delete. You can see that this text has joined together. Okay, just don't mind the changes that are happening with the text. We're going to work on that later. I just want to make this not to have too much space. Okay,
How to create an AI human video like this.
With videos like this,
you play again
Video like this for free.
for free. You tap it, you split, you delete. Okay, let's play again.
One video like this for free.
With videos like
Can you
this,
see?
you
Fine.
can
The space is no longer too much. So I will reduce the space between this lady and this man here. Okay?
visibility and sales
Okay. Has stopped
And
at
sales.
sales. Okay?
and sales.
Alright, I'll tap the clip, split, delete. Okay, I'll check.
Visibility and sales.
Also, you can make
Okay,
Business visibility and sales.
make
beautiful.
money
So I'm going to reduce that of this too.
videos for individuals and business owners.
Business owners, that's where.
Individuals and business owners.
Okay,
Individuals and business owners.
I'll pause. Okay, tap on it, click on split, click on delete. Okay, let's play.
Click on the Learn More button to join the free training. It's completely free.